It's time to celebrate. Let's hope, fingers crossed, that 2021 is a better year than this. Let's hope, yeah? So let's celebrate. We have got the latest champagne bottle, wine bottle, whatever bottle you want to make it into. It could be a gin bottle, it could be a Chianti bottle, it could be whatever. But you're also getting all the stamps as well. So you can personalise these bottles, i.e. vintage and then the year that person was born. It gives that real personal touch. So let's have a look at your stamps. Perfectly matured, that's me. I wish. But you've got all those different ones in there. You've got your dates, you've got your little logos and everything else. And then going down to the die set, you've got all your base core shapes, all your champagne tops, fancy tops, labels and everything else coming all the way down into the detail in there as well. Can you see the Chianti bottle? It does remind me of a beautiful Chianti bottle. Got a bit of straw on the bottom there and it would look like a traditional Chianti bottle. So the only thing that you really need to know is you've got an outside edge like this one here that's got little glue tabs on. Now those little glue tabs are there so that you can get some contour on your bottle. So if I just give that a little squidge and you stick them so that you've got a contour on your bottle, so you can literally get it so that it just creases up like that there, so you can get some lovely contours. So let me show you some of the lovely cards that the girls have made. 21 birthday, absolutely perfect. Made it into a little shaker element there. maybe something to oh, this is rather pretty, very pretty indeed, hanging around a wine bottle, yeah, over a champagne bottle. Put the neck through there. 21st birthday is absolutely beautiful. Maybe something for the men in our life, being a little bit muted. Make it into a small card as well, ideal for place settings. Maybe, I like this one. So maybe you want to put double bottles on there, but you can see how all the individual dies have been broken down and used in all those different formats. Something a little funky. Let's bring this one in. Bright and invigorating colours in that one as well. The date that they were born inside, and it's entirely up to you. But get yourself on the website and get the Craft Perfect cardstock. It makes a brilliant background for all these different dies. Beautiful champagne bottle for any occasion. See you later.